Good morning, local news for Tuesday the 2nd of May. The Gare from Wairarapa has won silver with their extra virgin olive oil in a prestigious international olive oil competition. The New York International Olive Oil Competition is arguably the largest of the olive oil competitions, and it's estimated that New Zealand consumption of olive oil, pretty popular, is around 4.5 million litres per year. That's around 1 litre per person. Rachel Priestley, owner and creator of the Prodigal Daughter and La Pancetta restaurant in Greytown, has won one of 8 category awards at the inaugural Outstanding New Zealand Food Producer Awards. Rachel, who launched the Prodigal Daughter, combining small-scale production of authentic salumi with the importation of Italian food and wine, and has always worked well with Wairarapa-based supplier Longbush Pork, was the category winner for spicy Sicilian sausages. Outstanding producer Paddock Crafted. The awards were held in Auckland last week. The Carterton Wastewater Treatment Plant Upgrade Information Evening is on tonight at the Carterton Event Centre. The aim of the upgrade is to treat and dispose of the town's wastewater to minimise adverse effects on the environment, including the optimised use of Council's Downton Farm property. Tonight's Information Evening kicks off at 7:30. And in sport, Wairarapa United slumped to a 5-4 loss at the hands of Wellington United on the weekend. The loss sees them drop from first place to third, while the women's side also suffered a heavy loss, going down 10-0 to Upper Hutt. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.